Welcome to YouTube, the land of opportunity where anyone with a camera and a dream can become the next big star, right? While going viral and raking in cash sounds tempting, the reality of YouTube monetization is often more complicated than meets the eye. You've probably heard whispers of CPM, mysterious algorithms, and the dreaded adpocalypse. But what does it all actually mean for your channel's bottom line? Let's cut through the jargon and decode the YouTube money maze. It's not just about racking up views, it's about understanding the intricate web of factors that influence your earnings. From the type of content you produce to the audience you attract, every element plays a crucial role in maximizing your YouTube revenue. Think of it like this. Your YouTube channel is a business, and like any successful business, it needs a solid strategy for generating income. Simply uploading videos and hoping for the best won't cut it. You need to understand the levers of YouTube monetization and how to optimize them for your specific niche. So buckle up as we delve into the nitty-gritty of YouTube earnings, exploring the secrets to transforming your passion into a profitable venture. Get ready to unlock the potential of your channel and turn those views into real cash. CPM, or cost per milla, meaning thousand, is the holy grail of YouTube monetization. It's the lifeblood of your channel's earnings, dictating how much money you make for every 1,000 views. Think of CPM as your YouTube paycheck per 1,000 views. But here's the catch. CPM isn't a fixed figure. It fluctuates wildly depending on a plethora of factors, including your audience demographics, content niche, ad formats, and even the time of year. Your CPM can range from a few dollars to upwards of $20 or more, making it a critical metric to understand and optimize. So how do you crack the CPM code? First, understand its nuances. A high CPM doesn't necessarily guarantee a massive income if your view count is low. Conversely, a lower CPM with a huge audience can still translate into substantial earnings. The key is finding the sweet spot, a balance between viewership and CPM that maximizes your overall revenue. Remember, CPM is a dynamic figure, constantly evolving based on market forces and viewer engagement. Stay informed, adapt your strategies, and watch your YouTube earnings soar. Now that you understand CPM, let's talk about the elephant in the room, YouTube's cut. Yes, you read that right. YouTube takes a share of your hard-earned ad revenue. But fear not, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Currently, YouTube operates on a 45-55 split. This means for every dollar earned from ads displayed on your videos, YouTube keeps 45 cents, and you, the creator, pocket a cool 55 cents. It's a partnership after all. This revenue sharing model is standard across the platform, ensuring fairness and sustainability for both creators and the platform itself. While some may argue about the specific percentage, it's essential to remember that YouTube provides the infrastructure, audience reach, and monetization tools that empower creators to earn in the first place. Think of it as an investment. YouTube invests in you by providing the platform, and in return they receive a share of the revenue generated through their advertising network. It's a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So, keep creating engaging content, grow your audience, and watch your YouTube income flourish. Here's a secret. Not all viewers are created equal when it comes to YouTube earnings. Your audience's location plays a pivotal role in determining your CPM and overall revenue. Why? Because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach specific demographics in certain regions. For instance, viewers in developed countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom tend to generate higher CPMs due to their stronger purchasing power and advertiser demand. On the other hand, viewers in developing nations might yield lower CPMs. Content niche also intersects with viewer demographics. If your channel focuses on finance and attracts a primarily US-based audience, you're likely to enjoy higher CPMs due to the lucrative nature of financial products and services. Conversely, a gaming channel with a global audience might experience lower CPMs but compensate with higher viewership. The takeaway? Understand your target audience and tailor your content accordingly. Research high CPM regions and consider incorporating elements that resonate with those viewers. Remember, audience demographics are a key ingredient in the YouTube monetization recipe. Section 5, Case Study, Gaming versus Finance, CPM Surprises. Let's dive into a real-world example to illustrate the impact of content niche and viewer demographics on CPM. Imagine two YouTube channels: Game On, a popular gaming channel with a global audience of millions, and Money Matters, a finance-focused channel with a primarily US-based audience of thousands. On the surface, Game On's massive viewership seems like a surefire path to YouTube riches. However, their global audience translates to a lower average CPM, say around $4. Despite millions of views, their per-video earnings might be modest. Money Matters, on the other hand, enjoys a higher CPM, perhaps around $15, due to their niche and targeted audience. While their view count might be lower, their per-video earnings could surpass Game On's, demonstrating the power of niche targeting. This case study highlights the importance of understanding your niche and its associated CPM potential. Don't be fooled by sheer viewership. Focus on attracting a valuable audience that aligns with your content and advertisers' interests. Remember, YouTube monetization is a nuanced game, and finding the right balance between viewership, CPM, and niche relevance is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Section 6. Beyond ads, diversifying your YouTube income streams. While ad revenue is the bread and butter of YouTube monetization, it's not the only game in town. Savvy creators leverage multiple income streams to build a robust and sustainable YouTube business. Think beyond the ad break and explore these exciting avenues. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content in exchange for a recurring monthly fee. It's a fantastic way to cultivate a loyal community and generate predictable income. Merchandise shelf. Got a catchy logo or a beloved character? Capitalize on your brand's popularity by selling merchandise directly through your channel. From t-shirts to mugs, the possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos. Earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands on sponsored videos or integrations. Showcase products or services seamlessly within your content while receiving compensation for your efforts. By diversifying your income streams, you reduce reliance on fluctuating ad revenue and create a more stable and sustainable YouTube business model. Explore these options, experiment with different approaches, and find the perfect mix for your channel. Section 7. Hacks to boost your CPM tips from the trenches. Ready to take your CPM to the next level? These insider tips will help you maximize your YouTube earnings. Target high CPM keywords. Research keywords that attract advertisers willing to pay top dollar. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Optimize video length. Longer videos often perform better in terms of ad revenue, as they provide more opportunities for mid-roll ads. Aim for videos that are at least 8 minutes long to maximize your potential earnings. Engage your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Higher engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, potentially leading to higher CPMs. Promote your videos. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm. Actively promote your videos on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms to drive traffic and boost views. Analyze your data. YouTube Analytics is your secret weapon. Track your CPM, audience demographics, and other key metrics to identify areas for improvement and optimize your content strategy. By implementing these hacks, you'll gain a competitive edge in the YouTube monetization game and watch your CPM soar. Section 8. The future of YouTube monetization. What's on the horizon? The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, and monetization is no exception. New trends and technologies are emerging, shaping the future of how creators earn on the platform. Emerging ad formats, interactive ads, personalized recommendations, and shoppable video experiences are gaining traction, offering creators innovative ways to engage viewers and generate revenue. Web3 integration blockchain technology is making its mark on YouTube, with NFTs, tokenized communities, and decentralized platforms creating new avenues for monetization and fan engagement. AI-powered optimization, artificial intelligence is transforming content creation and monetization. AI tools can analyze data, predict trends, and suggest optimizations to maximize earnings. Creator-centric platforms. New platforms are emerging that prioritize creator revenue and ownership, challenging YouTube's dominance and offering alternative monetization models. As YouTube continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for maximizing your earning potential. Embrace innovation, experiment with new technologies, and adapt your strategies to thrive in the ever-changing YouTube landscape. Section 9. Join the conversation. Share your YouTube monetization secrets. We've explored the ins and outs of YouTube monetization, from CPM and ad revenue sharing to diversification strategies and future trends. Now it's your turn to share your insights. What are your experiences with YouTube monetization? What strategies have worked best for you? What challenges have you encountered? Let's create a collaborative space where creators can learn from each other and unlock the full potential of YouTube monetization. Share your tips, ask questions, and join the conversation in the comments below.